What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on TRCH/MMAT stock. And on today's video I will show you that MMAT company is a very good company to be in your investment portfolio, and I will show you exactly when and how you should buy this stock. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with WeBull valued up to $1,850, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account, deposit $100 and choose your free stocks. That's it. So, first of all, let's start with a brief summary of this company. Metamaterial Incorporated designs, develops and manufactures advanced materials, metamaterials and functional surfaces to control light and electromagnetic waves. On their website you can find this definition under the title Go Beyond. Meta delivers prestigiously unachievable performance across a range of applications by inventing, designing, developing and manufacturing sustainable, highly functional materials. Our extensive technology platform encompasses 3 core capabilities: holography, lithography and wireless sensing, and is software and AI design driven. This allows us to develop a library of solutions and functional prototypes much faster and at lower cost than traditional chemical synthesis. And right here you can see their investor presentation, and let me quote you just several points. We are on the slide of market opportunity, and here you can see 5 bullets. And on your right you can see this chart. It shows you the potential of metamaterial market. So, and let me show you these bullets. These are 5 mega trends that might be available for metamaterials. So, 5G infrastructure. Rollout requires new materials for transparent antennas and reflectors. Vehicle electrification. Seismic shift toward EV, ADAS, advanced driver assistance systems and autonomous vehicles. Next one. Combined more than $3 trillion in other verticals. Advanced materials, IoT, medical, energy, aerospace and automotive markets. Next one. Scarcity. Control of raw materials. Supply of rare earth and materials such as ITO, iridium tin oxide, highly concentrated in Asia. Metamaterials device market expected to grow to $10.7 billion serviceable available market by 2030. And as you can see, for now we are in the middle of 2021, and this market has a huge potential, and this company also has a huge potential to grow. So let me show you one more point that I want to pay your attention to. It is intellectual property and know-how, and we have 4 bullets. Meta has 140 filed patents, 76 granted across 44 patent families, 28 granted, 5 registered trademarks, proprietary custom manufacturing process and trade secrets developed over 10 years with multi-million-dollar investment. Process and methods were patented early, providing multi-year competitive advantage. And here you can see the family breakdown between holography, nanoweb, MRI, glucose, LED/solar, lens casting and other. And because of this, only because of this slide, you can see that this company has a huge potential, and in my opinion this is only the beginning why you can consider to add this company into your investment portfolio. But for now let me show you one more information. We are on fintel.io, and as you can see we are on MMATF section, and right here we have the information that this company has a short volume ratio of 693%. They have a short volume of 286,000 shares with a market volume of only 41,000 shares. And because of this information, some analysts might consider that it has a huge potential to short squeeze. But if we take a look on this data, we are on otcshortreport.com, and the ticker is MMATF, the current ticker of this company. So, and here we have a percent of volume shorted, and on June 25th it has only 36.06%. Of course, it is a very huge short volume ratio. but it is not 100% guaranteed that we might have a short squeeze. And let me show you why I am thinking so. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. As you can see, I covered this chart for quite some time, and some of my viewers told me that this company doesn't exist anymore, and I cannot make my projection based on this price chart. And I partially agree with them, because for now we have a new company, and it is completely new. It doesn't have any kind of relationships before this merger, and that's why we have to switch to MMATF ticker. And it is an OTC stock, and right here, as you can see, we have massive surge in price, and this surge during last couple of months was more than 500%. And let me show you indicators. On a 4-hour time frame, as you can see, we have very high RSI. This means we might have a pullback. It is not 100% guaranteed, but we don't have much room to the upside to grow the price of this stock. Let me switch to daily time frame. And the RSI is on the level of 97.15. It is extremely overbought. Weekly time frame shows also very high RSI of 94.42 level. And let me show you, for example, BNGO stock. And I also covered it for quite some time. And right here, as you can see, we had almost the same level of RSI, and it's scratching the top, it's scratching the 100% level. And right here, I've told to my viewers not to enter your position for the long term, because eventually we had to unload this structure. And this is just a technical analysis. It's based on indicators, it's based on some assumptions, it's based on patterns. And let me clean this chart a little bit. As you can see, right here we have the highest point, and this point was the all-time high for this stock, and it dropped for more than 71% in next several weeks. So with metamaterials we might have absolutely the same pattern. Let me show you another ticker. We have several MMAT tickers right here on other exchanges, and for example, let's use this one. We also have on weekly time frame very high RSI. Let's switch to daily time frame. Very high RSI of 97.26 points. Next one, 4-hour time frame. Right here we have a bearish divergence. So from the technical standpoint, it is the worst point to put your money in the long position with this company. And during next 24 hours we might see some crazy price action, and you have to be aside. I am not encourage anybody to sell this stock or make a short position. I just want you to patiently wait until we will have more data related to their short coverage, related to their merger. And that's why the key to the profitability is the patience. Let me show you again TRCH ticker. And from the technical standpoint, of course, we unloaded all of these indicators, and we might go either way. But as I already mentioned, as you can see right here, we had a very strong support that was drawn with this bottom of the fourth wave and with this top of the previous swing high. And it also a confluence level with the 0.65 Fibonacci retracement level from the bottom to the top. And eventually we broke this level, we broke it to the downside, and this sign shows us that we might hit lower points. So what should you do if you want to invest in this company? Basically, I encourage you to wait. And as for me, during all these potential uncertainty times, I prefer to stay aside of this trade, especially when we had these two accumulation points and we hit exactly the real bottom of this structure. And with the accumulation point with the average price of around $1.5, we are pretty much safe. And for those of you who still hold this position and who still think that it might go up from this point, it is totally okay. It is up to you. You and only you at the end of the day are responsible for your own money. and it is your decision based on different type of information that you might find in the internet or on YouTube. And basically from this point, I think on Monday we might see some spike in price that will cover all the naked shorts that I talked about on my previous video. And then we will see a pullback. And this pullback based on my technical analysis on this information. I use this chart to predict the potential outcome of the price. And as you can see, all the indicators shows us that we have to pull back, and this pullback will be a next potential opportunity to invest in this company. So, with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!